Hello, I'm Desmond O'Neill and welcome to my channel. Come join me on my earn an income online journey and let's elevate ourselves together.
I like to be educated.
Hi everybody, I'm glad that you have decided to join in on my channel and join me on this blog post. Alright, so if you are here for the very first time, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am brand new to the whole blogging scene, brand new. Alright, and I started a blog, as I said in my earlier video. If you have not seen my earlier video, then you can check it out. Right, where is it? Here. Yeah, check it out right here. All right. Brand new to this whole blogging thing, and it is great if you enjoy writing. If you are maybe interested in writing a book sometime. All right. And let me tell you, this is great information here. If you want to write a book, all right, and you, let me say, nobody knows you, and nobody knows what your writing is about, then how are you going to start selling your book? Well, the answer is start a blog and get a following, get people to know you, know your writing, get to know what you are passionate about, whether it is fiction or non-fiction, it doesn't matter. And once you grow your following and you grow your subscribers, then guess who you have as initial buyers of your book, whether it's fiction or non-fiction. Let's say you grow your following to about 5,000 people. Forget 1,000. Let's say you grow your followers to 500 people. All right, and out of that 500 people, 10% decide to buy your book. All right, then guess what? 10% of 500, how much is that? 50 people. All right, you have 50 people that are guaranteed to buy your book. And if your book is, let me say your book is $10, right? 50 by 10, that's $500 that you have with just that one book. And I'm just using some weird figures at this point. All right, so yeah, it's a great way to start. All right, so I am going to just show you how easy it is to start, and I am going to show you what I'm going to be doing. So stay tuned and let's take a look at this. All right, so here, let me just go straight into my stuff right here. Okay, great. So I am here, and what I really like is that Google is a very nice platform. It's not just for searching, but they have some really nice things built in. And on your Google page, I put together the things that I use very often. All right, so I'm going to go into Blogger here. All right, and this is my blog post, and for those of you who are viewing it for the very first time, this is my blog post. And as I said, I only started on last week just to get my foot wet, and as you can see here, I have very few views, 6 and 7. I think the most views I have is 10. There it is, 10. I have some of them that is 9 and 8 and so on, because I only started on last week. All right, and it's very easy. All you need to do is to go into the Google platform right on the side here where it says Google Apps, and as you scroll down, you go to Blogger, and then you click Blogger right here. All right, and when you click Blogger, of course, well, I've already started, so it's in here. You sign up, what is the name of your blog, and all of that. You just follow all of the prompts. All right, and you are going to be good to go. So all it is to start a blog, you click new post, you just click there, and right on the top where it says title, of course you're going to put in what your blog is about. Now when you are doing a blog, you should not be just going all willy-nilly. I would like to say go with the trends, go with what is trending. Like right now, the Qatar World Cup is taking place. Go with the trends. What is your favorite World Cup team? Go with the trends, and that sort of thing. All right, and then you put a nice catchy title. Of course, you can research keywords as well. Before going into that, you can research keywords. You can use a program, AI program such as Writer, RYTR, in order to help you with your keyword search, so that it is going to make you rank high on the Google search. And then once you start that, you get in. Now right here, there's some very useful things that you can use. I'm going to start with what I use regularly, and this is of course my formatting. Right, you can align left, align center, right align, justify, and that sort of thing. All right, I use that. If you want to add in a video, now the nice thing is you can add in your very own blog video, right from YouTube itself. You can decide to add in something from YouTube by clicking YouTube there. All right, and then you can begin to search. There's a product that I did, all right, called Glucotrust, and you can check it out. It's going to be in the description below. You can check it out right there, and right there you can or you can even search Google, search YouTube platform for what you would like. So if you want to search on blogging, all right, there you go. You can search on blogging, all right, and you can use these videos in your blog posts as well. You can insert images, and I use pixels, all right, for my images. If you can go across to my blog here, I use pixels, all right, to get some free images without any copyright infringement and that kind of thing. I use pixels, all right, and you can also get that description down below. I use pixels, all right, and yeah, to add in, and here is where it gets really good. Let's say for instance, just gonna put something here, click here. So you don't have to have these long unsightly affiliate marketing links, because some of them can be very unsightly and long and have all sorts of things on the inside of them. So instead of doing that, you can hide that by simply clicking, copying the affiliate link, and in your text you highlight your text here, and then you can go to this insert link tool here. You can click that. Right, it has the display text, and then you can paste in your link right here, and when you paste your link in, it's going to highlight and it's going to be clickable, so your readers, your viewers can just go and click on the link, and it is going to take them direct to your affiliate page. They make a purchase, all right, and you get a commission that way. All right, so this is a very neat way in which you can do it. And then when you are finished, let me just show you. All right, for instance, this is a post on a ring light, and I have bought a ring light from Amazon. All right, and I just included this YouTube video here that is telling you the advantages of having a ring light, and I made a nice little writing up here about it, and when you click on this right here, it's going to take you direct to the ring light that I bought, right, which I find was very good. And of course, if you do that, I will earn a little commission, nothing large, nothing big, because Amazon has reduced their commission from 8%, I think, all the way down to 3% or 5%, something like that. All right, so it isn't anything huge, you know, but whatever little bit, I'll be grateful for that. All right, so that's it in a nutshell in terms of how easy it is to set up your blog post and to start blogging, and how you can use affiliate links in which to help you earn some finances from your blog. Alright, so that's it from me, and hope to see you guys soon again. Take care.